Well, we got another package. Let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're just taking a quick look at something from Vickers Guide. Feel free to check them out. They have a interesting variety of books on item subject matter. So Vickers Guide. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way and see how we can get this open. Primarily more interested in how these books are packaged versus actually showing the contents. There are sample pages online so you can get an idea of the format. These are kind of what they would call coffee table type books, where there would be very large images, in this case photography of items, and then informational text to accompany the photography, but mainly the items are showcased in these books as opposed to these being full reference guides. They're more image reference guides. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. So more tape. Okay, I think we're in. So let's see the flaps, and then we have the inner packaging as well. Looks like we just got the one book today. This just came off like that. So reveal. What we have here is kind of a tease of Volume 1, signed edition of Vickers Guide. Right there. Highlight the logo and Heckler & Koch. And here we have a sample portion photography of a HK-USB and 40 S&W. And I don't know, it is shrink wrapped, so we're getting a little bit of gloss, but you can see the level of detail on these photos. It's a thick book, hardbound. Here's your binding, the logo up here. It is a little bit heavy, that's why I'm struggling a little bit to hold this in camera view. Your authors, photographer, and also contributing author as well. Looking on the back, here we have a kind of collage of HK items. So I'm sure these are also highlighted in larger pictures inside. You can see here kind of the mark logos there, the stamps, as well as a website. So again, feel free to research current product offerings from Vickers Guide. Here we see the publishing logo, interesting, and our barcode. So we're not going to actually get into this today for copyright reasons, and also just to kind of motivate you to get your own copy. So just unboxing real quick, Vickers Guide, Heckler & Koch, Volume 1 signed edition. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews, as well as a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.